Welcome back to a new tutorial. We're going to talk about the concatenate function. Essentially, we're going to take individual items in different rows and we're going to combine them into one single text. We're going to start off by using the equal sign and type the word concatenate. We can choose this option. And now we just need to go through and select the cells we want to combine. Now we're going to do this by just selecting each cell to show you what happens. And then we're going to go through it again and we're going to fix it because you'll see that it'll combine it into one giant mess. So there's no breaks in between the text, and that is because it's simply just grabbing the text and merging it. So we can actually insert breaks in between this by going back into the code, and we're going to do in quotations, hit the space bar, and then quotation marks again, comma, and now we want to go after Main Street. We're going to do in quotation marks, we're going to do comma, and then space, quotation marks, another comma to divide that information. And now we need to go to C, and we're going to do quotation marks, comma, space, quotation marks, one more comma just to separate the values, and hit enter. So it looks much better. We can now drag this formula down and we'll apply it to each row. Now if you have this combined, let's say you want to do the reverse and divide a text that is formatted this way, but you want it in individual rows or cells, columns, we're just going to select this entire column E, click on data, and then you can go to the split text to columns function. So there we go. We've now reverted it back to its original form. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.